all right, guys. We are back. We are back at it again. We've just landed in St. Louis, Missouri. As you guys know, I got my helmet very nicely, or almost too nicely, tucked away here. So let's just strap in that that lovely pump we've got, and we can be back on the road, guys. Yeah. So it is like 32 degrees right now. Slight. I'm sorry we're below. We're right underneath a highway overpass here, which is the one that connects you to, I think, the McKinley Bridge. There's the Busch Stadium behind us, and there's the Gateway train station. So guys, we are going to the first destination, which is right on the river, which is this cool statue called Captain Returns, and I just wanted to see it. So yeah, let's go down Riverside. All right, join me, will ya? All right, guys, let us set sail. Oh, gears already shifting. All right, man. Alright, so we gotta go underneath these over and underpasses here. But Alright, so they got a little Ferris wheel too, guys, and it's actually moving. So I mean, this works. St. Louis Aquarium. For those of you guys doing all the touristy stuff, that's all right here. That is all right here downtown. Yeah, we are not doing any of the touristy stuff so far. Let's see if they'll let us go. Alright, guys, so the Rome of the West, I guess the gateway to the West, as this city is sometimes nicknamed. Alright, so we're going 3 stoplights exactly. And we're hanging left. not massively hilly out here, but these last two hills, so here we are, 18th Street and Pepin. Yeah, let's see how friendly this city is for cyclists. And I see a painted bicycle here, so it does say shared road. Alright, so there is a middle lane here designated, and first things I see right here are dilapidated homes that have been left behind, guys. And reading a little bit in depth about the city's decline is, I think it's 30% at the moment. The city of St. Louis is like 30% vacant. So yeah, there are all these cool signs. There are these cool signs right up there on the posts saying Bike St. Louis. And so yeah, that's what we're here to do. We're here to Bike St. Louis. And yeah, that wind, I was just there hitting the wind, going sort of southwest. Yeah, that's definitely it's gonna be a bit of a challenge today going out west, but then at least coming home to a nice warm hotel in the evening, or towards the evening, towards the late afternoon, I want to say. At least it'll be nice and easy, because we're basically going to be coming up from somewhere down there, kind of along the river too. So we're going to see